Hi, and welcome to Unprecedented Journey. I'm your host, Jeff Oppenheim, and I thank you for joining me. If you watched our last episode, and if you know our format, I always like to give extra resource following up on an episode. And the last episode was all about meditation with the Venerable Hui Dong. And rather than me telling you more about meditation or even Buddhism, I'd rather practice what we're preaching. And I'm going to turn the mic and camera over to Venerable Hui Dong one more time, so that he can lead us on a meditation together. You can leave this video on and practice along with him. I know I'll be doing the same thing as well. Venerable Hui Dong, thank you so much for leading us in this meditation today.
Thank you for having me. Jeff, now I'm going to show you a very brief guided meditation for probably 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you the basic techniques to do meditation. And you can do it at the same time with me and sitting in your chair. Which is wonderful because it shows people that you don't have to cross your legs, especially for those who have knee problems. You can just sit comfortably in your chair with your feet on the floor. Make sure you don't lean back to the back of your chair, and just sit with your back straight. And for those who prefer to cross your legs, you can cross your legs and you can put your hand on your laps with your right hand on the left palm or the other way. You can also put your hands on your knees, as long as you feel your body can relax that way. The key point, again, is to keep your back straight. That would prevent you from falling asleep. And now you can put your stuff, say eyeglasses. I'm going to put away my eyeglasses, or beads or other stuff which might bother you from feeling naturally for your body. And then you close your eyes and gently close your mouth and put your tongue naturally at the back of your front teeth. Relax your neck and your shoulders and your arms and your chest and your abdomen. And now relax your legs and your feet. Now bring your attention to the tip of your nose and start with 10 times of a long breath. Try to feel your breathing at the tip of your nose. When the air comes in and goes out. If you're lost the count of your breathing, you can start over from a 1 to 10. One inhale and exhale as one. Anything on your mind that would give you pressure, you let it go. And bring your attention back to your breathing. Once you finish that 10 times of a long and deep breath, you can just breathe naturally, but still, you pay attention to the tip of your nose, the sensation when the air comes in and goes out. Anything cross your mind, don't follow it. Do not judge it. Simply bring your attention back to your breathing. Now you can gently open your eyes and you can rub your hands and put them on your eyes and face, and then go through the top of your head. And then you can relax your shoulders with your hands, your legs. Jeff and I, we just show you a very brief practice of meditation, and you can practice at home at any time or in your office, and during the break time, 5 or 10 minutes. It's a good way to relax yourself and also to bring your mind back to peace. When the mind is in peace, it no longer has the tendency to argue with others, holding on to certain views, and it's simply observe, be aware of what's happening. It will cultivate the wisdom of the mind that everyone has, and that would also bring good health to the person, to the meditator, and bring peace to the world.
Well, thank you again for leading that meditation today, Venerable Hui Dong. And thank you for joining us today. I hope you'll be able to apply some of the lessons learned here to your daily practice as well. I think now, especially during a time where we have nothing but time, is a great opportunity to begin to build in the practice of meditation, not only in these times when we need to center ourselves, but also so that we can better serve those around us, those in our care. You know, it's been said that the Dalai Lama was once asked by a reporter, how could he possibly find the time to meditate each day in the midst of his busy, crazy schedule? To which the Dalai Lama replied, well, on normal days, regular days, he would practice meditation for 1 hour. However, on super busy days, he would practice meditation for 2 hours each morning. The moral of that story is clear. No matter what is going on in your life, you have the time to meditate, and you have the need to center yourself at the very least, especially when there are all sorts of tasks or just things going on around us that are outside of our control. It's important to center in and focus. Thank you again for joining us for today's episode of Unprecedented Journey. I'm your host, Jeff Oppenheim. If you like what you see here, please be sure to subscribe, leave your comment or even a question for me. I'll get back. Press like, share with a friend. These are great resources in these pressing times, and I'm happy to share them with you and all of your friends and community. Until the next time, please stay safe, stay well, and stay meditative.